Let me say something most people won't. If you're tired, overwhelmed, and already behind in your real estate business, adding another income idea won't help you. It will actually make things worse because the real problem isn't your lack of money, isn't the market. It's the chaos and disorder that you have that you're addicted to. Most realtors think if I just get in front of the right people or find the right online thing or lead gen thing, I'll finally get caught up and I'll be able to close more deals because I'm a great closer. I can close deals, just bring them in front of me. Wrong. Income doesn't come from adding more tasks or buying more leads. It comes from fixing what's already broken. Here's the truth. The realtors who make extra money online don't work more hours. They systemize their business first. They stop missing calls. They stop forgetting to follow up. They stop manually trying to, track the people in their head that they need to connect with. They stop letting leads fall through the cracks. Once that's fixed, the same system starts working for other people too. And that's where the extra income comes from. So when you master your own business, there's only two ways this works for very successful realtors. There's path one. You're a realtor, you get your own business organized. You follow up, you run, and your business runs automatically. Your leads don't disappear. Your pipeline is clear. You become the proof. Like I always say, you need to become the product of the product. And when other agents ask, what are you using? How are you so on top of things? That's the opportunity. Path number two, you're the fixer. Maybe you're more like me, the integrator. You like systems, you like cleaning up chaos. You see problems other people ignore, and you work with people who are visionaries and you want to be able to help step in, and you don't need another side hustle. You need to get serious about picking a niche like helping realtors get organized. And this becomes an agency. You can start your own agency. The income comes from implementation. People pay for speed and implementation, and the tool that I'm going to share with you, one of my favorite tools, just supports it. So, what doesn't work? Let me save you some time. This doesn't work for people who are wanting something like a quick, rich type of situation, and your business is already messy. You don't have a business, or you have a real estate business and you're not making any money in your own business, and you're thinking this might be a great idea to start something for other realtors that are already successful. But no, the proof is in the pudding. You need to make sure that your house is in order first. This is not going to be for people who don't like tech or you're just curious. I'm looking for people who are serious and not just curious. Software doesn't fix chaos, it exposes it. So if you're going to try to go down this route and you're not getting your house in order, you're just going to expose yourself even more. This is going to be the line for you to remember. I don't sell tools. I help businesses stop leaking money. And that's the mindset shift. Whether you're already a real estate agent or you are an integrator like myself, the mindset shift is going to be you're going to be selling something that is helping people stop leaking money and not just selling a tool. The system that I use, you've all been waiting for this, is Go HighLevel. And not because it's trendy, but the reason why I love Go HighLevel is because it replaces a pile of disconnected tools all within one organized system. And that's it. So here's the move, guys. If you're ready to get your business organized or help other realtors do the same and actually want to create extra income without more work, use my link in the description below. Grab the 30-day free trial. You'll also get access to my free training that shows you exactly how to set this up the right way for your own business. And if you want to start your own agency and do this for other realtors or other investors or wholesalers, there's so many opportunities for you to be able to sell it to that particular niche. Save this video, come back to it when you're ready to do something real. Again, I'm looking only for people who are very serious and want to take this training very serious. Take this training, and because this is $1,000 training, it could be thousands of dollars. Actually, it could be worth more than that. I've actually charged $5,000 to set things up with the knowledge that you'll learn in this system. So the value is even more than that, but I could definitely charge at least $1,000 for the training itself. So if you're ready to stop guessing and actually get organized in your own business, or you, again, seriously want to help other people who are in this industry get their business aligned and ready to go so that they can make more money as well, use my link in the description. There's a 30-day free trial that most people don't get access to. And you'll also get my free training. That's all of my workflows and funnels for real estate agents, where I show you how to set things up, again, for yourself or for other realtors that want to do it the right way. Save this video, come back to it later. This only works for the best people who are ready to move today. Much love and aloha, and we'll see you on the next video.